Hey you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Diamond. My Instagram handle is bunnybeauty05. Yeah, and I definitely do daily readings and I post daily horoscopes, so don't forget to follow me there. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Awakened Soul Oracle deck. Okay, as you can see, it's very nice box. Okay, and I'm gonna be quiet most of the video. I'm just revealing the cards. Okay, have a little snap on the side and a booklet, a guidebook. Very nice touch. Love the hair. Okay, ordered this off of Amazon, and as you can see, I already opened the box. I took the plastic off. This is the inside. Have a little glitter like look, whatever. Very nice. I already took the plastic off, you guys. This is like a little metallic looking look. I would say you have to be kind of careful with these cards. I'm not sure. They could probably cut you if you don't handle them the right way, or if you move a little bit too quick. Okay, here we go. Boundaries, magic. I'm sure you all can read, so I'll be quiet and just show the cards. Kind of look like Oprah. Beautiful image. Beautiful. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. I don't want to go over 5 minutes. My phone get to acting up sometime, you guys. So hopefully it doesn't. Let's keep the energy positive. Basically like a Mother Earth card. Speak your truth. Beautiful. Sorry, you guys. They're a little slippery, but they're beautiful cards. And they'll last long with this finish. Okay. Those are the cards, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I would definitely recommend. I've already did a couple of readings easy to catch on, easy to remember, beautiful. Like, this is gorgeous, my love. I love it. Okay. Yes, beautiful images to look at, and I always consider that before purchasing a deck, because as I'm doing readings, people want beautiful things to look at. Okay. Especially if it catch their eyes, they're more willing to get readings from you if you do readings for other people. Okay. Hope you all enjoyed this video. um I will definitely be doing a video for spirit animal as well. Okay, so it'll be the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.